We'll guide you through how to use Google Drive for Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Next, download the Google Drive for Desktop application, which allows you to sync files between your Mac and Google Drive seamlessly. After downloading, open the installer and follow the instructions to install the application on your Mac. Once installed, open the Google Drive application and sign in with your Google account. You'll see an option to sync your drive to this Mac. Select this option to begin syncing your files. You can choose specific folders or your entire drive to sync. Once syncing is set up, you'll notice a Google Drive folder on your Finder. This folder acts just like any other folder on your Mac, but will automatically sync with your Google Drive in the cloud. Any files you add here will be uploaded to Google Drive, and any changes you make will be updated in real time. This is a great way to ensure you have access to your files both offline and online. You can also access shared files from this folder, making collaboration with others seamless. To upload files directly from your Mac to Google Drive, just drag and drop them into this Google Drive folder. If you need to access your files from another device, simply sign in to the Google Drive website, and you'll find all your synced files there. For more control over your sync settings, you can open the Google Drive preferences from the menu bar icon. Here, you can pause syncing, change sync preferences, and manage your account settings. Remember that changes you make on your Mac will reflect on your Google Drive and vice versa, ensuring everything stays up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.